Hey, 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 we're here at my friend Michal's urban chicken farm right here in the heart of Chicago.
Hey everyone, I'm
Who we got?
Michal. I got Mittens here today.
Mittens.
Check out her beautiful red coloring.
Hey, Mittens.
She's a sweetie old chicken. Okay, so part of being an urban farmer is composting. And in the city, you should only compost things that are completely fresh without any oils or anything like that.
Cool. Okay, now we're going to do some weeding, and we just did some composting. Note that those are both gerunds in those sentences.
Hey y'all, so this is a chicken coop. That's what we call it in English. In particular, let's look inside.
Okay.
This is where they sleep.
What do we call this?
This is called the hen house.
Ooh, the hen house. Okay, so they stand.
And they roost on these bars.
We call
They
that
hang out on the
roosting.
bar. They're
When they
roosting.
roost.
Yeah.
They hang out on there.
Yeah, that's what they do.
And this part of the coop, what's this called?
This is called the run. This is where they spend the time during the day.
And they hang out in the run.
They hang out on the run.
Okay. And then back here on the end of the coop, what's back here?
On the end,
Does this
where
have a name?
I don't know what the name is, but I call it where they lay eggs.
Okay, this is like the goods.
And-
This is where the magic happens.
Check it out.
Ooh, we got some eggs.
Got some eggs.
We got 3 spots.
We got 3 spots.
This one spot has eggs.
And notice the different colors,
Ooh, we
for
got,
example.
yeah.
So I can always tell usually who lays which egg by the color.
Nice.